Hello and welcome back to SQLexplorer or SQLexplorer. One of the things that we're excited about with this SQL Explorer, and one thing that we're finding that we're using all the time in our own development, is being able to quickly edit these queries without having to worry about quotes and things like that. And one of the nice things is the way we've divided stuff up. So if I have a somewhat complicated query like this, I'm probably going to want to start putting a sort order onto it to make sure that the information makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead into the sort tab. And again, it's very much like FileMaker, and any of the tables that I have set up in my tables setup, we see I have 5 here, all related to each other through an inner join. So if I go back to the sort table, I can choose any of these tables to sort from. So I can do activity date, and depending on how I have this set, so let me set it to ascending here, and then we'll see activity date. And if I want to change it, I can select it and change it here. So again, really trying to emulate an interface that you're used to in FileMaker as far as setting up your sort order. So then we'll go to companies, and we'll say company name, and we'll go back to activities and activity name. And again, I can change these on the fly if I want. And we also honor drag and drop here if you want to quickly change your order through drag and drop. And then if we go back to our review frame, we see that we've got a new line in our query, order by. So that's how SQL handles sorting. And we see that it lists the fields and then designates ASC for ascending or DESC for descending. So if we run that, we'll get those results. So here we go, ascending by date order. By activity date. And if we quickly want to change activity date to descending and then run our query again, we can do that. And we get it in a descending date. And that's pretty much how that works. And again, we do honor the drag and drop and adding additional fields. So if we want to go put our project name in here, project name, and then move that up after company name, and switch project name to ascending, and then review, test our query, and we got our results. So sorting is quite simple to set up and is relatively simple in SQL as well. So thanks very much.